Do you want to reset Instagram video suggestions? You can reset Instagram suggested video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reset Instagram video suggestions, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of the profile. A new screen will open with different options. Scroll down to the What You See section and tap on Content Preferences. Again, a new screen will open. Tap on Reset Suggested Content. Tap Next, then tap Reset Suggested Content again to confirm. Now, your Reels suggestions and Explore feed will be reset to a fresh start.